Assalamu alaikum. Today we're learning about 100 examples for simple sentences or declarative sentences. The trees sway in the wind. He plants flowers in the garden. The moon shines at night. The birds fly in the sky. I wear a jacket in the winter. The stars twinkle at night. She paints her nails. I take photos with my camera. They travel to new places. She writes in her diary. We have a picnic in the park. They swim in the pool. He sings in the shower. We eat ice cream in summer. The waves crash on the shore. He reads a newspaper. The fire crackles. The train arrives on time. I run in the morning. The wind blows through the trees. She shops for clothes. I speak Spanish fluently. They enjoy hiking. She solves puzzles. We bake cookies. They play basketball. He watches football on TV. We listen to podcasts. The cat meows for attention. He drives a red car. The snow falls gently. The river flows calmly. I study for exams. The children laugh and play. She walks her dog. I work in an office. They go to the gym. She studies biology. We clean the house. They go fishing on weekends. So this is it for today. Hope you like this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.